Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about the poem. When I heard the learn astronomer. This is the name of poem. जब मैंने एस्ट्रोनॉमर को सुना. This poem is written by Walt Whitman, and this is very important to see the information about the Walt Whitman. Turn your page. Here giving information regarding the Walt Whitman 1819-1892 work as a journalist, a teacher and a government clerk. This is a very lucky person because he first become a journalist, teacher and government clerk. His major work, Leaves of Grass, was a volume of poems that he kept adding to throughout his life. उन्होंने अपने लाइफ में इसका ऐड किया है. His style broke away from conventional poetry and some of his poems seems very close to prose in their styles. So what is the meaning of this line? When the Walt Whitman making the poem, that times he broke out the conventional style. जो पारंपरिक पद्धति उन्होंने ब्रेक कर दी. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट सीम्स वेरी क्लोज टू प्रोज इन देयर स्टाइल. वो अपने स्टाइल में, जैसे कि प्रोज होते हैं, लेसन्स होते हैं, उस स्टाइल्स में वो पोएम्स लिखते थे. ही रोट इन फ्री वर्स. एक्चुअली when you're discussing about a free verse, you have to know about that. Free verse means no rhyming pairs. This is the poem without rhyming, having a poem. This is called free verse. He wrote in a free verse and although he did not invent it, उन्होंने अभी तक उसका इन्वेंट भी नहीं किया है, but he known as the father of free verse. So according to that, Whitman used free verse in poem till he did not invent it. फिर भी उनको द फादर ऑफ फ्री वर्स कहा जाता है. Whitman continued to be one of the most influential American poet. After that, he introduced with the famous poet in America. This is the just information about the Walt Whitman. Now we turn toward the poem. When I heard the learn astronomer, when the proofs, the figures were ranged in columns before me, when I was shown the charts and diagrams to add, divide and measure them, when I sitting heard the astronomer where he lectured with much applause in the lecture room, how soon uncountable I became tired and sick. Till rising and gliding out, I wandered off by myself in the mystical most night air, and from time to time looked up in present silent at the stars. This is the 8-line poems of the Walt Whitman. And according to that, when we discussing about this poem, the poet is wonder of nature. निसर्ग की रहस्यमय गाथाओं में से एक पोएम है. एंड दिस इज द रिटन बाय वॉल्ट वाइटमन. नाउ आई एक्सप्लेन द पोएम. व्हेन आई हर्ड द लर्न एस्ट्रोनॉमर. बिफोर लिसनिंग दिस वीडियो यू गो थ्रू द वर्ड्स टू नो, मीन्स हार्ड वर्ड्स. यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड. लर्न मीन्स वेल एजुकेटेड पर्सन. When I heard the learned astronomers, You have an idea what is meant by astronomer? A scientist who studied about the stars, planets. When I heard the learn astronomer, जब मैंने एक एस्ट्रोनॉमर, एक अच्छा पढ़ा लिखा एस्ट्रोनॉमर के बारे में सुना. When the proofs means evidence, the figures were arranged in column before me. So let's discuss about the two lines. When I heard the learn astronomer, जब मैंने एक वेल एजुकेटेड एस्ट्रोनॉमर के बारे में सुना. When the figures were arranged in column before me. So according to that, Walt Whitman says that when I heard about the astronomers, before that so many proofs and figure अरेंज किए गए थे मेरे पहले से ही. एंड एक्चुअली वॉल्ट वाइटमैन सेज बिफोर मी so many astronomers or so many scientists declare that, giving the proofs and figures. When I was shown the charts and diagrams, जब मैंने मेरे पास के चार्ट्स और डायग्राम दिखाए थे, किस बारे में? To add, divide and measure them. So according to that, this is Walt Whitman regarding the mathematicians. When I sitting heard the astronomer, where the lecturer with much applause in the lecture room. What is the meaning of this line? When I sitting heard the astronomer, जब मैंने astronomer को सुना, where he lectured. What is mean by lectured? This is the lecturer room जहाँ पर information दी जाती है. Where he lecture with much applause in the lecture room. Lecture room, this is the one type of community hall, and also you have giving the meaning of that in your textbook. See the meaning of this line. When I sitting heard the astronomer, जब मैंने बैठकर वहाँ पर astronomer को सुना, where he lectured with much applause in the lecture room. So according to that, when I listen the information regarding the astronomers in a community hall, lecture hall, how soon unaccountable I become tired and sick. What is the meaning of this? How soon unaccountable? How soon accountable? Accountable means here do not give the proper explanation regarding that event. So that's why when he heard about the lecturer room and when he heard the lecturer, that time also Walt Whitman says that how soon unaccountable, मैं अनएक्सप्लेनेबल रह गया. आई बिकम टायर्ड एंड सिक. उनके सामने जो भी लोग थे लेक्चरर रूम में, उनके सामने मैं टायर्ड और सिक हो गया. बिकॉज दे आर वेरी सीनियर एंड आई एम जूनियर. सो दैट्स वाई ही फील लाइक दैट. टिल राइजिंग एंड ग्लाइडिंग आउट आई वंडर्ड ऑफ बाय माई सेल्फ. टिल राइजिंग एंड ग्लाइडिंग आउट. टिल राइजिंग, here meaning of the rising is become proud. Till rising and gliding out. Gliding means flying. मैं जैसे जैसे बड़ा होते गया and gliding out, उड़ने लगा. I wondered of by myself. और ये सारी बातें सुनने के बाद in a lecturer room, when he heard about the lecturer who went there, he attended the lecturer and went to the community hall lecturer room. Still that he become unaccountable, means no explanation about that by the Walt Whitman. So that's why he wondered off by myself. वो खुद से बाहर घूमने चले गए. In the mystical moist night air. When the Walt Whitman wandering there in that time in the mystical moist night air, and from time to time. So according to that, Walt Whitman says that I wandered there in the मिस्टिकल मॉइस्ट नाइट एयर, जहाँ पे जादू भरी नाइट एयर रहती थी, उस जगह पे टाइम टू टाइम वो वहाँ चले जाते थे. वाई वांटेड टू फ्रेश. लुक्ड अप in perfect silence at the stars. After attending the lecture room, after attending the lecture, he went to the out and go outside of the lecture room to become a silence. He went out and looked up. ऊपर देखा in perfect silence at the stars, where the stars become a very silence, and in lecturer room, and the people giving the lecturer, they are discussing there, and he went from that lecture room and went outside and look up in perfect silence at the stars. What is the meaning of these lines? वो सब सुनने के बाद मैं जब बाहर आया तो देखा कि स्टार्स अपने अपने जगह पे साइलेंट भी है, और फिर भी हम लोग वहाँ पर लेक्चर रूम में एक दूसरे के साथ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस पोएम? वी do not interfere in the stars, we do not interfere in the nature cycle till we are small. Okay, thank you. This is the meaning of this poem. Okay, thank you.